Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to the Herbal Keys. It's May, and we are finally moving past the tentative steps of early spring preparation and directly into active growth and peak planting strategies. The soil has finally warmed through, creating ideal conditions for establishing a robust herbal foundation. Today, we are setting the stage for a truly magnificent and medically potent growing season ahead. In this May edition, we break down 5 essential herbs perfectly suited for success when planted right now. We are diving deep into necessary cultivation secrets for thriving plants, plus the specific medicinal mechanisms that make these herbs vital for your apothecary. Before we dig in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to support these monthly guides. And of course, if you like the video, hit the like button. Okay, let's start with 4 essential tips before beginning our 5 herbs. Our first May tip is all about protection. While the days are warming up beautifully, those unexpected cool nights can still stun tender annuals and chill the soil. Keep a lightweight floating row, cover, or frost blanket immediately accessible next to your garden beds. If a sudden temperature dip is in the forecast, you can quickly deploy it to shield sensitive seedlings from frost shock. This proactive habit keeps your young, delicate herbs growing vigorously without any significant setbacks. Next, let's talk about mulching early and thickly. As May's sun intensifies, your soil starts losing vital hydration much faster than you anticipate. Prioritizing mulching now creates a protective barrier that conserves moisture and suppresses aggressive spring weeds before they take hold. Whether you use straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves, a good layer will keep root zones cool and consistent. Taking time to mulch today saves you hours of weeding and watering later this summer. Tip 3 is a gardener's secret for explosive May growth: liquid seaweed fertilizer. As your herbs enter their most vigorous phase, seaweed provides a gentle but broad spectrum of minerals that synthetic options completely miss. It actively supports healthy root establishment and builds overall plant resilience during the transition from the nursery pot into the garden environment. Simply dilute it in your watering can for a direct root feed or apply it as a refreshing foliar spray right after planting. Finally, May is your last call for direct, sowing cool weather favorites. If you haven't planted your cilantro and dill seeds yet, get them into the well-drained soil immediately before the real summer heat arrives. These particular herbs are notorious for bolting, that is, rushing to go to seed, once temperatures spike. Establishing them right now ensures you get many weeks of abundant, lush, flavorful greens to use in your kitchen before the summer weather takes over. Now, let's begin our list of 5 herbs. Calendula is a complete joy and thrives in May's mild warmth. Plant seedlings in full sun with moderately fertile, well-draining soil. The true secret to maximizing calendula is regular harvesting and deadheading. By constantly pinching off spent blooms before they develop seeds, you signal the plant to keep pumping energy into new, resin-rich flowers rather than slowing down. This simple practice guarantees you an abundant, constant supply of bright, medicinal petals all summer. Medicinally, calendula is absolute gold for your skin. The sticky petals contain potent, resinous properties perfect for making infused oils and healing salves that calm dry, windburned, or sun-exposed skin. It acts as a reliable vulnerary, a plant that heals tissues and eases minor inflammation naturally for the whole family. Beyond topical use, calendula is a gentle lymph stimulant, making it a great addition to spring tonics designed to wake up the body's natural drainage systems. Thyme is a Mediterranean favorite that loves the increasing heat of May. Choose your driest, sunniest spot, as thyme truly thrives in conditions that mimic rocky, lean environments. This herb is exceptionally drought-tolerant once established. In fact, it generally prefers slight neglect over overwatering. Ensure excellent drainage above all else to avoid fatal root rot. Thyme is perfect for the ground, filling space between paving stones or growing in kitchen containers. Thyme is a powerhouse for respiratory health. Driven by the strong antiseptic compound thymol, during variable spring weather transitions, a hot cup of thyme tea or a steaming bowl with fresh leaves works wonders to clear sinus congestion, quiet a cough, and support your immune response. It also makes an exceptional antiseptic gargle for sore throats or minor gum irritation. In the kitchen, it famously aids digestion and helps the body process heavier, rich meals efficiently. Our third herb for May is a vigorous grower that can quickly overtake your garden landscape if you leave it unchecked. Lemon balm. Since it is a proud member of the mint family, the absolute best strategy is to grow it in its own dedicated container. This lets you enjoy that incredibly delightful citrus scent and lush, bright green foliage without worrying about its aggressive roots spreading secretly through your lawn. It prefers moist soil and handles a bit of afternoon shade beautifully. Lemon balm is a gentle, calming Nervine, absolutely perfect for dissolving the stress of a busy gardening day. It's ideal for wired and tired moments, calming the nervous system while simultaneously lifting the overall mood with that bright, aromatic lemon scent. This herb is also a classic, reliable remedy for digestive upset, specifically triggered by anxiety or tension. A fresh cup of lemon balm tea is a safe, effective nighttime choice for adults and children. Sage is a tough, resilient perennial that brings both beauty and function to May. It serves as an exceptional garden companion. Its strong, intense aromatic oils help deter common cabbage moth pests when tucked nearby. However, remember that sage is particularly sensitive to wet feet. You absolutely must provide excellent drainage and avoid overwatering as the spring humidity begins to climb. Established plants are long-lived and provide consistent harvests for years to come. Sage is prized for its potent astringent and antiseptic properties, making it a primary choice for oral care and throat health. A strong infusion of sage leaves provides immediate relief as a gargle for a raw sore throat or inflamed gums. Furthermore, modern research is beginning to support the historical claims that sage supports overall focus and critical memory function. It's also a powerful digestive aid, specifically useful when eating rich or fatty foods that feel heavy. German chamomile has one specific requirement for planting success in May. The tiny seeds absolutely must have access to light to germinate. When you sow them, do not bury them under a dark layer of soil. Instead, simply sprinkle them and press them firmly into the moist soil surface so they have direct access to the sun. Keep the area consistently damp with a very light misting until the tiny, fragile sprouts finally appear. Once established, they willingly self-seed year after year. Chamomile is world-famous as a sleep aid, but it does so much more. It is a fantastic carminative, relaxing digestive spasms, gas, and uncomfortable bloating after eating. The flowers contain essential oils like camozoline, providing significant anti-inflammatory benefits for both the digestive tract and sensitive skin. Whether you need to calm nervous tension after a long day or settle a minor stomach upset, a nice cup of chamomile tea is the timeless comfort remedy your body and mind needs. May is undoubtedly a beautiful, exceptionally busy time in the herbal garden landscape. By focusing on establishing these 5 essential plants right now, you are effectively building a robust, resilient, homegrown medicine cabinet that will serve your family well all season long. Remember to keep an incredibly close watch on that crucial soil moisture levels as the temperatures continue to climb heading into June. Consistency is absolutely crucial for the strong root health these plants need for a productive life. Let us know in the comments, which of these 5 herbs are you most excited about adding to your garden this May? And if you drop a flower emoji, I can personally thank you for making it to the end of our video. Remember, gardening is a continuous process of observation and adjustment. Be patient with your plants and yourself. If you found these detailed tips helpful, please take a moment to give it a like. Thank you for spending your time with me today. We will see you in the June edition. Stay focused and stay grounded, my friends.